In this video, I will show you how to create a video background section in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do this, you can head over and scroll down until you can see this option right here. So you can just choose which page you want to edit. For me, I'll edit my summer category right here and click on this edit with Elementor. You need to actually install the Elementor plugin on the plugin store of WordPress in order to successfully do this. So I have this right here. Click on the settings icon on the bottom. And then in here, click on this Elementor. Make sure that you have this Elementor full width right here. Now, once you have done that, you can head over to this part of the page and you can drag some widgets right here. You can click on this plus icon in order to add the widgets that you want to use in here as well. So you can also click on this right here in order to add template. So for this one, you can choose to add blocks, pages, or template that you want. So for example, for this one, let's head over and add the block. So some blocks are actually pro, while some blocks are actually free. So just choose which one is actually included on your plan. So this blocks right here will allow you to add some elements. So click on this plus icon right here, or you can just look for the widget that you want to add for this one. So for example, we have this section right here and we want to create a video background. For example, for now, let's add in here a text for this one. Then as you can see, we have now a text. So we can actually make this overlap. So if you want to make this overlap, you need to first add in here some video. So let's head over and add in here a video. And then on this video, you can use YouTube video, or you can choose which ones you want to use for this. You can also make this autoplay, and you can also make this play on mobile, and you can also loop this. So as you can see, this is the video that we have added. This is actually just a placeholder. And this text right here, we want to add this just below this one. So you can also add in here a media. If you want to add a media right here, you can add in here a video. Now you can head over right here to the advanced, and in here you can see the option for your background. So choose hover right here and you can choose the transition duration in order to transition to this video that you have right here. Now you can also head over and then add some borders and make sure that it is actually unwrapped. So you can also edit it out however you want, but once you're done with that, click on this update right here in order to save your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.